Mr. Clever's tractor. One day, Mr. Clever is bored. Man, I'm so bored. What should I do? Aha! I'm going to the tractor. Get them move past the gates. So, Mr. Clever goes with the tractor and he makes a past gate. Oh no! The wheel of the tractor is broken down. That's it. I'm calling Mr. Small. Mr. Small, get over here. What is it, Mr. Clever? The wheel of the tractor is broken. Can you please fix it? Don't worry, Mr. Clever. I fix it. Thanks, Mr. Small. One moment later. Thanks, Mr. Small. You're welcome, Mr. Clever. But Mr. Clever is lost. Oh no, I'm lost. Oh my god. Oh shit. I can't go home because I'm lost. So Mr. Clever thinks about. Aha! I'm calling Mr. Nonsense. Mr. Nonsense, come here. What is it, Mr. Clever? I'm lost. Oh my god, there's the crows. I'm gonna get out here. And so Mr. Clever is not afraid to be crowed. Ah, safe and sound forever. The end.